Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will show you how to do natural henna treatment to cover gray hair. We can find various dye for cover gray hair, but they all are chemicals. If you use chemical dye, your natural black hair also will be gray after some times. Otherwise you will be face lot of chemical reactions. Personally, I am not interested any chemical products, so that's why I am going to share in this natural remedy to cover gray hair. Don't skip the video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's see how to use natural henna to cover gray hair. We need some natural ingredients to make this natural henna. Let's see what are the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of coffee powder, 2 tablespoons of tea powder, half slice of lemon, 4 tablespoons of natural henna leaf powder, 2 tablespoons of amla powder, 2 tablespoons of curry leaves powder, 2 tablespoons of hibiscus powder, and 1 tablespoon of cloves powder. Now take a bowl, add all ingredients together and mix well. After that, add little by little hot water and mix. Now add lemon juice and again mix. Now our henna mixture is ready, but can't use today. We can use this tomorrow. Cover this bowl with the help of a polythene or foil paper and refrigerate it one night. You can apply this next day. Let's see how to apply. Take a part of a hair on center of your head and apply henna mixture. Then round it like this. Do same. Cover all your hair with henna mixture. After apply, cover your hair with help of a polythene or shower cap. Wait for 1 hour and wash it off with normal water. Don't use shampoo for 3 days. Do this once a week for 4 days a month. After that, do this 2 days for a month. For the first apply, you will see your gray hair will be little brown. After following these steps, you will see your gray hair turn into dark brown. Remember that this is not a chemical treatment, so you cannot achieve results soon. Follow these process carefully and achieve your goals. Hope you like this video and get something knowledge. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye.